Euro NCAP releases the results for 3 Chinese electric family cars, the BYD SEAL, XPENG P7, and the BYD DOLPHIN. These cars have made their first splash in Europe's market with the glamorous BYD SEAL targeting Tesla's core buyers, the sleek XPENG P7 showcasing its long-distance range capability, and the BYD DOLPHIN underlining its value for money as an electric vehicle. Euro NCAP today reveals that these cars have all achieved 5-star ratings in the program's most stringent testing yet. Competition between car manufacturers is the driving force behind Euro NCAP's success. No manufacturer can afford to be left behind when it comes to safety, and this is the motivation for innovation. The new Chinese brands have hit the ground running, recognizing that European car buyers will not compromise on safety. But technology is evolving faster than ever before, and areas like assisted driving open new areas for competition, and Euro NCAP will ensure that these new technologies are introduced in a way that realizes their full safety benefit.